Hello, viewers. Today I've brought a very important topic for you, which is also very interesting, and that is how to improve your creative writing skills. And I'm going to teach you some really very simple tricks. These tricks can be used by anybody, whether you're a grown up, a professional, a student, or you are a school going child. You will find my tricks pretty useful. My first suggestion is read everything you can find. Read a lot. I even used to read the signboards when I was traveling when I was younger. Read newspapers, magazines, articles, old storybooks, new storybooks. And while reading, pay attention to the words being used by the writer. Writers use different words to express the same idea. They are known as synonyms. They make use of comparisons like similes and metaphors. They use different characters, plots, conflicts, etc. If you come across a word you don't understand, use a dictionary to find its meaning and then practice using it in a sentence to get a better understanding of that word. My second trick is observe carefully. Observe everyday things and actions. The world around you is full of interesting things and events. When you go for a walk, ask yourself various questions such as what is that person doing? What is that bird looking at? Why are some people quarreling? You should observe their emotions carefully. Are they angry, stressed, happy, joyous, gay? You might find a person seething in anger. One could be laughing frivolously, another could just be smiling mysteriously. Dear viewers, as you're observing things around you, make a note of something which you like. It might be on a TV show or a video game that you've just finished playing. Write about everything you see, hear, smell, or even feel. You'll be surprised at the amazing ideas that come into your mind. You can use them creatively in your writing. Make use of certain prompts or story starters to inspire you. So, when you get a beginning, your mind starts moving in that direction. You can imagine your characters, create a plot. Your characters might encounter or face certain problems, and then they experience a lot of emotions. There might be quarrels, and then there might be settlements, and then there is perhaps a solution to that problem, perhaps there isn't any. So, make a critical appreciation of what you read. Criticize the work of others. When you read a book, try to find out the strong points, the weak points, the emotions, and other things. There might be some flaws in the story, whereas there can be some elements that you enjoy. They might be the best parts which you might like to read again and again. You can aim to do weekly or monthly book reviews on the books you read. Soon you'll be able to master the secrets of great creative writing. The next trick does require regularity. Maintain a diary and write something in it every day. Even if you think your life is boring and nothing interesting ever happens in it, well, most of our lives are boring. You can write about your goals and aspirations or what you did. You can even write about what you had for lunch today or maybe what you did at a friend's place. Just a plain pure description, that's all. Now that's easy, isn't it? I'll give you an interesting tip. Rewrite a famous story. You can pick up something from Charles Dickens, Thomas Hardy. How about rewriting The Mill on the Floors? The next trick is one of my favorites. I sometimes make use of pictures and photographs, my own or my family. There are some fun moments, some tearful eyes, that beautiful landscape, that fun filled holiday, And the list, of course, is endless. And because it's an experience which has touched my heart, I can always express it so eloquently. Sometimes I give myself a reward when I've written so much and met with my target. I try setting some goals for myself. For example, sometimes I say I'll just write about 500 words. Well, you can start with 100 or maybe even 50. Once you achieve this goal, give yourself a treat. Maybe go out, watch a movie, have a chocolate, or maybe a Black Forest cake. That was the end of my tricks. I would like to add that even though grammar is really very important in writing, try not to apply it while you are trying to think creatively, because sometimes grammar and correct spellings pose to be a hurdle in your creativity. So, if that is the case, just keep it aside for some time. We can always tweak that up later, can't we? Thanks for watching. If you learned from my video, do like and subscribe to my channel.
Do check out the links for my other video lessons in the description box.